So what do we have, Claire?
This is Jimmy Neutron. He's a pancake.
It's a very small pancake?
Yes.
His head.
Yeah, it's just his head.
I'm going to go over here where the lighting's a little bit better.
That's Jimmy.
Wow. So in comparison, put your thumb out there or something.
Small pancake.
Yeah. Okay. I think we got it. All right, what's going to happen to Jimmy?
I'm gonna eat him.
What? You're not going to eat Jimmy, are you?
Yes. I
Okay.
just said I was.
Here we go. Jimmy.
Goodbye forever.
Oh, there he goes! Oh! He's in the whale's mouth. Maybe he'll be spat out.
You'll see him back there like in a week.
Okay, Jimmy's all gone. Goodbye, Jimmy.